Really? Okay. Hey guys, we are in Lorne with Charlotte, Annie, Dad. Today I think we're going to Erskine Falls, are we? So just gonna be a chill out day. I'm gonna do some adventuring. I don't have a mirror, so I'm using my Tarte's Pro Glow palette. And we're just gonna get started with our basic daytime glam. Thank you. Starting out with some primer.
This is like after you use this after your primer.
Yeah, I put that on. Sometimes I mix it with my foundation, but I think I'm not going to use that today because my skin's really dehydrated. Dad's feeling good after his almond latte. He was bagging me all morning for like that he had to order me an almond latte because he said it's embarrassing and I feel like it's so millennial. Then I was drinking my coffee. I was like, oh, this doesn't taste or smell like almond. And then I looked at his coffee cup after he'd already finished it and it said almond on it.
Oh, what?
Oh, so I needed for you. Charlotte and Annie are using all the same products as me. Trying a new foundation. I haven't tried this color. It's the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation. And it tells you only need half a pump for a full coverage, long-lasting base. So you're meant to dot it on your face and then use the brush that it comes with to blend it out. Oh my god, I'm a flaky queen. My skin's so bad right now. And to make matters worse, I left my skincare at home. I've never done that in my life. Oh, and I left my toothbrush at home too. So I thought I was gonna have to use Charlotte's. I wouldn't use Annie's because she doesn't brush her teeth every night. Except Dad had a spare toothbrush, so he saved my life. Alright, so this foundation is quite yellow.
I love it.
Matches my skin, so I'm just going to highlight my under eyes now. My crepey little under eyes.
That Hourglass powder is so hard to use.
How? It's like perfect because you just go on it.
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna use my fingers to warm this up and press it in. And I love this concealer because it's like it's not cool or warm, it's just neutral.
Now I'm gonna use the Mecca Max Beyond Bronze Makeup Bronzer.
Oh, listen to the saddest story ever. Annie is getting her Instagram account deleted because she's only 12 and Instagram messaged her and were like, you're too young to use Instagram. So we were just gonna be like, oh well, mum manages it. Except there was nowhere to like appeal. The way that you could appeal, you just had to prove with like photo ID that you were over 12, but she can't obviously. So her Instagram account where she had like over 8,000 followers is getting deleted, which is so sad for her. So she's gonna make a new one, so I'll link it down below. If you guys could please follow her, that would be great because she's worked really hard on her Instagram and we feel really bad for her. That's so sad.
Is it all blended out?
Yeah, it doesn't look too dark at all. All right, feeling pretty hydrated considering my skin's
Annie,
a crusty demon.
You just took away the... Oh, I don't even need it.
I'm just gonna set my under eyes and not the rest of my face because I don't need to be any drier than I already am.
I love this blush so much. I used the corally one. Look at it.
So pretty, yeah. We've got the best bronzer in the world here. Mecca Max Beyond Bronze Mega Bronzer.
I want all this color.
Yeah, I have really good
I'm
color.
gonna get my foundation. I don't like Maybelline Fit Me.
You don't like Maybelline Fit Me? Why?
What? It's just not the finish that I want.
What, do you have the dewy and smooth?
And I don't like the matte one.
I don't like the matte one, but I love the dewy and smooth.
My favourite foundation is either the peach one from Too Faced or the...
That one looks horrendous on you.
Oh yeah.
It's so, like, it's matte and your skin like needs dewy, I feel, because you've got like no pores. So lucky.
My highlighter has never looked better.
Yeah, the highlight is amazing. Charlotte just texted goodnight to Matt with this ugly photo. He said, what is that fungus creature?
I feel like my face makeup has never looked better in my life.
Looks so good. I'm going to use that coral blush as well.
You should.
Really focusing on the apples of my cheeks and then blending out towards my temple. I'm just going to use the highlighter in this palette as well, which is amazing. But just on my cheek, like on my cheekbones I think, and underneath my brows. I don't want too much highlighter when my skin looks like this piece of trash. Especially not above my lip because it's so crepey and disgusting. Okay. Now I'm just going to set my face with the Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray.
Why does my schnozzle 50,000 say? Tell me if you need this brow pencil.
I don't take long because my brows are horrendous and there's no saving them. So my brows, I'm just going to brush them up. I have like this stray brow hair that's like curly. How dare you? I'm just going to do some hair like brush strokes.
2 eyebrows and I just like pretend that the hairs aren't there and I just put the pencil above them. Like,
oh really? I don't. I just embrace the strays and I just fill them in so that they don't look like strays. I wish I had tweezers because I've got a freaking monobrow growing right now. Benefit 24-hour brow setting gel on these bad boys. It's just some clear gel. Actually, I like my brows today. I think I do anyway. You know when you've only got a small mirror so you can only really focus on the thing that you're doing, and then you look at the whole picture and you're just like, wow. I have a feeling that's gonna happen. Oh, the blush is in here. So hurry up with it. Alright, and then I have this product from Bite Beauty. It's actually a lip product. It's called Crystal Cream Shimmer Lip Crayon in Cocoa Crush. I personally can't imagine what it would look like on the lips. Oh, sorry, I've got some tint on my hand. Let me just show you. I got it from the Sephora event recently. So it's quite shimmery actually. It could look nice, but the shimmer is cool toned, not goldy. So I feel like you might look a bit sick, but you know what? I'm not gonna judge until I try. I don't have a mirror right now because Charlotte's using my blush. So I'm just going to go in and line my top lash line with this and kind of wing it out a little bit, but it could turn out horrendous because I don't have a mirror. Okay, I'm taking this, can I?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to run this along my lash line. I'm going to use this brush to apply a wing sort of on the outer corner because the stick's too fat for me to do it. Yeah, mint. That is exactly what I want. And I really like it because it's super understated, because in some lights you can't even see that it's there because it's shimmery, and then other lights you're like, oh. And now I'm about to use my new favorite mascara, which was also from the Sephora event. I think it's coming to Sephora in March. It's the Pretty Vulgar Faux Real mascara.
for real.
Love that I used that before. I have Arabian brows.
I need
Your eyes are literally the opposite of Arabic or Arabian. Like, they're blonde.
Eyebrows?
They're freaking transparent.
No, we've got the thickness.
Yeah. This is gonna be the weirdest, like the most weirdly lit video. Because like the background just looks so dark and weird. Like Dad's just blending into the back. Yeah, it looks serious. Like I feel like I look like I'm in a horror film and something's just gonna like creep up behind me.
You need to moisturize your feet. They're looking a little bit crispy.
Crispy feet. So that's one coat. I'm gonna line my lips with the best color in the world.
Oh, it looks so different on you.
Ooh,
I'll tell you the story behind this. There is a story. When I went to the Sephora event the other weekend, I met Emma Chen. She's like a makeup artist that I've followed for ages and ages, and I really, really like her. And she was working at the Becca stand, and I was like, oh hey, like I follow you on Insta. It was really weird because I was just watching her Insta stories on the plane like an hour beforehand. And I was like, hey, and I felt really weird because I knew everything about her because I follow her. But she was so nice, and she showed me like lip liners to put under the Becca and Malika and Chloe BFFL, is that what it's called? Lipsticks. And she showed me this one called Pouty, and I loved it so much. And she just gave it to me. I was living my best life. And then I'm gonna put this, why do I look kind of like a rabbit? I'm gonna put this Kopari Lip Glossy Coconut Oil Lip Balm stuff. Directions, pucker up and glide on. And this is really hydrating and delish. Oh, it smells like
Coconut.
no, not really coconut. It smells like vanilla-y, caramelly. Oh god, I'm so like blush heavy. Okay, you can't really see my face right now because, oh yeah you can. So this is the final look. Really, really speedy.
this applicator.
My friends don't know. He needs some milk.
Natural. How are you going?
Pretty good.
Ew! What are you doing? That's not anything.
I used to I'm a dumb
Funky
idiot.
fresh.
I thought this was like the applicator.
Anyway guys, I'm gonna sign off now. I hope that you enjoyed this speedy daytime glam, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this vid, and I'll see you next week for a couple more vids. Thanks for watching guys. Mwah.
Bye bye. Bye.
Check yeah.